In fact, I dey very, very amazed. In fact, I dey surprised. As one chief imam don't enter inside church, this man enter church congregation. Go follow them. These people they do prayer during their service. In fact, now all this kind of thing I suppose they happen. Now all this kind of unity now suppose they because now one God now all of us they serve. But I see some people they go to discriminate. Say this one a Muslim, this one a Babalawo, this one. But this man no reason all this kind of thing. This one gather mura, wear in normal Muslim thing attire. Enter church, follow them, even thank God, follow them, pray. My people beg, make now follow me see this one.
Praise the Lord. Somebody shout hallelujah. Amen, somebody. Yeah. Atlanta. Ayowako. Ikorodu and Ikorodu Paye. Wassalam ala muslimin. Walhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Praise the Lord. Somebody praise the living God. Amen, somebody.
And I don't see a bit, in fact, religion na peace. Now like this supposed they be, now like this supposed they hear. Because now one God, now all of us they serve. The God where these Muslim people they serve, now we serve Christians they serve. And even recently, one Reverend Father said, now so he said enter inside mosque. The time when they do this, their idiot fitri prayer. He entered here, go follow them, pray. And all this kind of things now good thing. If they show say we go feel live in harmony. If they show say we go feel stay as one, we don't go feel they do gra, they do any wahala. At least if Muslims come, go talk say yes, so we feel follow them stay. If Christians have come, they go follow them stay. But you say this one, it happen inside one northern side. This one because na Yoruba land. And I know say Yoruba are fast, most of them they very friendly, they peaceful. If say na inside north, you for don't hear another thing. Even normally one artist, one Hausa artist, so we just dress open heads on as this northern brothers and sisters carry the matter for head. Begin shout saying, Hausa, a true Muslim go dress like this, go do like this, go do like that. On as people begin complain. But this one, this man no even reason himself. Say, okay, oh, him na even afa, I be him na even imam, he no even thinker. He just follow them, normal, follow them, praise God, follow them, thank God. Because all this thing now one God. I say this one once and say this thing now good thing. Now good thing, not be all these people we say they will carry religion put for head like say they know they sin. And if you not near them, now go say, in fact, now then they sin pass. The whole sin wait for this word, now then they do them. They go do them inside corner, they hide and they do them. But in fact, God na Allah self na God. Make na know this one, make na know peace because all of us na one God we dey serve. My people beg, I hear this one, I want make I bring and come, make na self using na ear, hear wetin dey happen. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, what I just hear now, make don't forget to write and inside the comment section. Make don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you for our next video. Abalis wey talk say Iyabo Ojo go die, say she go suffer and die. Hey, as e be, Oga don die. Wonder shall never. I don't even know be I go cry for this matter. I be I go laugh because all of us know about this whole Baba Ijesha matter. We say Iyabo Ojo carry this matter for her. She take am serious. Say she go do everything in her powers. When we say this whole thing happen between Baba Ijesha and Princess daughter, and I know say most of una know this story. Now there she carry this matter, they complain, say anything, any length she go there, make sure say this Baba is just rot in jail. Now there this Baba, I don't know where they see this Baba for. Baba can't come outside. Talk say this thing where Iyabo they talk say they go tarnish Iyabo Ojo image. Say in fact Iyabo Ojo go suffer and she go die. As we see another story with the year. But people beg make now watch where this man for talk this thing.
Iyabo Ojo has done a lot of things with men. He has slept with so many men. Yes. He has slept with so many men. When his own judgment will come, it will come from God and will suffer. He will suffer and die. That Iyabo Ojo will suffer and die. Watch him. Now, from here to Abuja. Where's he going at Abuja? What business does he have at Abuja? He's selling Toto. Toto lon takakiri. Because Baba Ijesha did not settle him and the other woman very well. That's why they use that one to tarnish him. They don't tarnish him, man. God will surely tarnish that Iyabo Ojo. He will suffer. Watch it.
But what she's fighting for is rights, in my own opinion, because he said she's fighting against child molestation.
If he doesn't do all those wrong things in the presence of that lady, the young girl will not.
On I don't watch Amabi. Baba don't die. Hey, this one I read back to the send. It means say back to the send that they really work. So you waiting say your life, you didn't die your care. You don't talk say a person go die. Now God chef don't come show you say, this one way you talk now just mere talking. Now him gonna be the power. See where you declare person say a person go die. I don't know because you wear juju for head, or you carry something for head. Now that one I make you come reason and say, you don't get power for this life. Now you alone, I be the baba. I just say all this one I they give you moral. Say yeah, Bojo they sleep around. Yes, I even reason this talk with this man talk. The talk never even make sense at all. Because if you look how old man like this, go they talk this kind of thing. Man, we don't go reach this age. We say you suppose even call these two people together, resolve this matter. Now you can't carry the matter. They talk. This one now it shows say power pass power. Because some people say they call the reason and say, maybe Yabojo don't go do some kind of thing. I make this man that, but I'm not sure in the case. Maybe God don't already decide say, okay, this man time don't reach. Coincidentally, now make an himself can go blab, go talk this kind of thing. Because how person go rape person, you go one day they justify and say the thing where the person do is good. It's not good. If say the thing good then, as Yabojo they win sharp, people go there against her. Nobody go support her. But because it's the way this man do, the thing no good. Now make everybody come outside, they against this thing. For you now, an old man like you to come outside, they talk this. I don't know, be a God, now I punish you on your own. No, I be maybe na your mouth, now just go cover you. Maybe as you talk and now, devil, I be na God. I don't know who they hear the thing. So as you talk and finish, you gonna say, okay, this one make I do about turn. As you talk and I think come turn back, I don't know, be na so the thing happen. But I beg this one we don't die. Now rest in peace. I will talk for your matter because now only God feel judge now. Waiting kill you, be na I know sure say a hand dey inside, but if na she, we no know. But this one where you talk, I don't know how the thing even take happen for you. Be na your mouth or be na your juju, na go fail you now. But I hear this one, my people. I can't make her bring her. It means every person know the judge you. Now God now if he decide, you will go sit there say, you don't decide say, this one go die tomorrow. God fit just even change the story. Say, okay, you will talk this thing, now you go die. So maybe people I beg they careful. What till they talk? Maybe they careful about what till they talk. My people I beg I hear this one. I can't make her bring and come, make na service na here. Hear what they happen inside this Nigeria already. Anything in our feel, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you on for the next video.